Hello again everybody, welcome to another paper airplane tutorial. I have been requested to make this paper airplane multiple times, so today I'm going to show you guys how to make it. This paper airplane is not designed for flying outdoor. It flies able, but it's not fly very well, so keep in mind this is not a long distance paper airplane, it's just a fun paper airplane to make. To make this paper airplane, you need a piece of your letter size paper. And if you have A4 paper, you can follow a link in the description and print it out. Trim your A4 paper into a US letter size ratio, and you will be able to fold this paper airplane. Now, let me fold the paper in half. Unfold the paper and fold the paper in half lengthwise. Make sure that all edges are lined up. Let's look good. Next step, let's unfold the paper. Now, I'm going to fold the paper this way. I want to make sure that this corner will make a straight fold to this corner, or the intersection, the center of the paper airplane will make a straight fold to this corner. So let's do it. Alright, if it is off, then it won't look nice, so I need to adjust it a little bit. So it should match this and the other side too. Alright, and then unfold the paper. Now flatten out the paper and repeat the same fold for the other side. Usually when we have 3 points, we can make a very good fold. So we have this corner 1 point, the intersection of the paper or the center of the paper is another point, and this corner. So let's do it. Let's match all the 3 points together. So let's match this, make a fold. Now unfold the paper. Next step, let's match both sides together. Okay, so this is what you should have. After you match both sides together, let's fold this side of the paper down. You can see it. Alright, I just hold the paper and fold it down. You need to hold the paper, otherwise this won't place nicely. Once you finish that side, let's repeat the same fold for the other side. Does look good. And now let's fold this part of the paper up and then fold this part down. Let's rest down the paper. Okay, I will rest this down now. Rest it down. Okay. And now the paper airplanes look so nice. This looks just perfect. Okay. Now I fold this side back to this, and then start from this edge. I fold to the crease right here. This crease. So just fold to that crease. That's perfect. And then fold this side back. This piece of paper back. Okay. And repeat the same fold for the other sides, for the other sides of the paper airplane. So let's rest this down. Rest this down first, and then start from this edge forward to this crease, and then fold this side out. Here we go. So this is what we have. The planes look so nice so far. Okay. Okay. Let me turn the paper this way. I press out the paper. Okay. On the following step, you know that it was like this, and then I flip the paper over, and on the following step I will fold this side of the paper out. But to fold that, I will fold this layer back to this side, and I fold this side up, this part of the paper up. So I just fold straight up like this, a little bit more. Okay, and then I pressed out the paper. So this is what I have. Once I have that part of the paper, I will repeat the same fold for the other side. So I fold this part of the paper and matches to the other piece of paper, the other layer, and I match this edge to the other edge of the other side. So this is what I have, and then I fold this layer back to hold the paper. Okay, so this is what I have. On the following step, I will go into fold this size of the paper up to create the elevators. So the stabilizer. So I fold this size up, and I repeat the same for the other side. So let's do it. So this is what I have so far. All right. To make the paper airplane fly, this is very easy. Just fold the paper in half. All right. To make the paper airplane fly, I need to create the head of the plane. Now the plane doesn't have the head, so it doesn't fly very well. So I will fold the paper like this and then press it down. When I press down, you can see this part of the paper is pop up. That is perfect. It is up a little bit, and then we'll go in to adjust it later. So this is what we have, and I press down the paper. This looks so nice. Okay, so press down this part of the paper, the stabilizers, press it down, and then now this is what we have. On the following step, I'm going to create the wings. So to create the wing, just match this edge to the upper edge here. Or actually, you can match this edge to the upper edge. Okay, so this is what I have. I will adjust it a little bit, and then I flip the paper over, and I repeat the same fold. Let me adjust the paper. Alright, so this is what we have. A very nice paper airplane. So what I'm going to do next is to adjust the stabilizers, of course. So I force up, make sure this is parallel with the center of the plane. So I can hold the paper airplane like this and fold this up. Once I finish one side, I repeat the same fold for the other side. And here you go. This is a new cool paper airplane. I hope you guys will enjoy making this paper airplane, and like the video, share the tutorial with your friends, and subscribe my channel. How do you think, guys? Isn't this awesome? Let's test this out one more time.